Hi, my name is Rohit Jangama, and today my topic is about the thin client and the thick client approach. The thin client approach, the concept of a thin client approach also is known as a lean client, and it's computing model of a virtual desktop that runs on the stored resources on the central server rather than the computer resource. This client uh, do take the information of the low cost devices of the computing which depends on the server of the computation. These thin clients could be offered to clients approach the industries for the different number of reasons. These clients could be used to replace the computers and the help access to the virtual desktop. The approach of the software engineering, the approach is the lower is a browser for using the thin client indicates that the ordinary devices that remain connected to the internet do carry out the functions of applications within the web browser rather than on the moving on the remote server. Process of the data is mainly done on the machines of a thin clients. Here the data of the software do recovered from the networks. The server side happens to the system that is run on the server, and the client side happens to the software that runs on the web browser of the user. The web development of the client side involves the displaying and the interactivity of the data. The server side all about the working just behind the actual scenes to manage the data. Server side and the client side programming. The server side programming is mainly considered as a program which runs on the server dealing with the web pages content generation. It is used in making a query for the database operations over the database, writing and accessing files on the servers, interacting with the other service structures, the web applications, and the input of the process user. For the instance, if the input of the user is the text within the search box, then the search algorithm is run on the stored data, and the results generally get sent. Server side clients are C++, PHP, and Python, Java, JSP, and Ruby on their Rails. Client-side programming is one of the program that runs on the client machine, which is based the browser, and it then deals with the user's interface. It also deals with the other programming that could happen on the client's machine, like writing and reading cookies. It interacts with the temporary storage, and then it produces the interactive web pages, and it also interacts the local storage and uh, sends the request for the data to the server, and finally works as the user interact interface between the user server. The language of the programming for the client side server are CSS, HTML, etc. And load of the network load balancing is one of the process for the distribution of the traffic of the network between the multiple servers. It ensures that the signal server should not bear high demand. It improves the responsiveness of the application availability, and also the website for the end users. For example, the thin clients one library may utilize a different number of thin clients that connected to a central server to facilitate multiple device usage at a single point of the time. That is clearly manageable. Thank you.